going to reset the blender. And we're going to put 5 seconds on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to hit the start button. And watch it blend. Smoothies! Smoothies! Today I'm working on my smoothie stand. Let's wait for customers. Smoothies for $2. Smoothies, strawberries. Smoothies, smoothies for $2. Strawberry, orange, bananas. Smoothies, smoothies for $2. Strawberry, orange, bananas.
Smoothies? Did you say smoothies?
Yes, Leo. I'm making them with my blender today. Would you like one?
Wow, Gigi, cool blender. What flavors you have?
Thanks, Leo. I have strawberry, watermelon, orange, banana, grape.
Wow, Gigi, you have a lot of flavors. I'll choose pineapple and strawberry.
Cool choice, Leo. Let me show you how I'm going to make your smoothie. Let's go to the fridge. This is where I keep all the ingredients. We are going to be looking for the pineapple and the strawberry. Also, Leo, let's not forget the ice cubes. That's very important. We're gonna need 2 ice cubes. And the lemon. Okay, Leo, first we're gonna put the strawberries in.
Yeah? Correct.
And then the pineapples.
Correct.
And now the ice cubes. We're gonna close the blender and we're gonna reset the blender. Now we're going to reset the blender. Then we're gonna put 5 seconds on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna hit the start button. And watch it blend. It's ready. Let's pour it in the cup. Let's lift the top and we're gonna pour it in. And now the last thing is your lemon slice. Let's put it on your cup. And your smoothie is ready.
Gigi, you're the best smoothie maker.
Thank you, Leo. It's all because of my cool blender that I got today. Now here's your smoothie. Are you ready to try it? Here you go.
I'll give you $2.
Thank you, Leo. You're the best. $2.
Gigi, that's the best smoothie you ever made.
Thank you so much, Leo. I'm glad you liked it.
Gigi, I'll finish all my smoothie. Now I will go back home.
Thank you so much, Leo. See you next time.